Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a focused message. Open Outlook and hit New Email or press Ctrl+N. Once done, add recipients and a concise subject that signals purpose. In the first sentence, state the action you want. This guides readers immediately. Make sure to set message importance and sensitivity if needed, and choose reply options when applicable. These initial steps reduce back and forth and frame the rest of your formatting decisions, so take them now before styling the body text. Now focus on the body. Pick a readable font like Arial 11 or Calibri 11 and set 1:15 line spacing so the text breathes. Use bold for section headings and bullet lists for action items. Keep each paragraph to 1 or 2 sentences for scannability. When you need structure, insert a simple table or attach files instead of long inline text. Also embed links using descriptive text so recipients know where they go. These choices improve comprehension and speed response. Finish by proofreading and using Read Aloud to catch errors. Confirm all attachments are included. Add your signature and verify reply to or delivery options, and consider delay delivery for scheduled sends. Before hitting send, scan the message on mobile view to ensure line breaks look right. If formatting breaks on send or recipients see odd fonts, paste the content as plain text in a new message, then reapply styles and attachments. This resets hidden formatting and prevents display issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.